Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve this glamorous 4th of July look, so let's get started. We're going to start our blue cut crease by outlining with the white pencil in the general shape of the liner. You don't have to worry about this being too perfect because we're going to smoke it out anyway. Grab a smudge brush and soften the line. A blue eyeliner or eyeshadow and fill over the white. Take your same smudge brush and soften that line as well. Once you've blended out the shape, take a clean brush and go ahead and blur those edges. Draw a super thin wing at the base of your eyelashes with a liquid eyeliner. Once that's done, add a coat of mascara. Now I'm taking a foundation powder, the same color of the concealer, and setting those same places. I love powder for the summer because it holds up better than a liquid foundation, so you're not at the function melting. And then I'm taking my foundation color powder and setting everywhere else. Add some highlighter to the space between your liner and the inner corners of your eyes. And now for the fun part. We're going to be using MAC Silver Star pigment and enhance the look. Taking a spot of lash glue and placing it exactly where I want those stars. Then I'm using a tweezer to apply the stars right on top of the eyelash glue. Add in your favorite pair of wispy lashes. Pull out your favorite cherry red lip. Pull out your favorite matte red lip. And just like that, we have a glamorous 4th of July look sure to stun at any function.